Not at all.
Regulators! Mount up!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Happy Halloween, everybody. Lewis here, Our Shack Barbecue and other things. So for this cook, I was asked to take part in a collaboration that Gary at GT Barbecue and Cuisine started, and it's called #SpookyBBQ Barbecue. So if you want to search to see who's all doing a video, type in #SpookyBarbecue in the search and it'll show you everyone that's doing it. So we're all making a Halloween themed dish. Now, I'm not doing it out on the grill, we're gonna do it here in the kitchen. And what I'm gonna do is a meal that I can almost guarantee you your kids would enjoy. And it would fill them up before they go out and go trick-or-treating, and they won't eat all that candy. More for you. Anyhow, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some spaghetti, but it's going to be spooky spaghetti. It's going to have eyeballs. Let's get into this cook now. For the spaghetti, we're going to be just using regular old spaghetti noodles. Put them in a pan of water, heat it up till they boil, let them go till they're nice and soft, and then strain them. Then the spaghetti sauce is our favorite store brand jarred sauce. So nothing spectacular about them, nothing, I'm not going to prepare those. This is more about the meatballs that we're putting into this. Got 1 pound of 80/20 beef and 1 pound of Italian mild sausage. Let me get that in here. Get these two kind of mixed up to begin with. Just so we got a good consistency between the two. So now that we have our meat mixed together, we're going to start adding our ingredients. First thing we're going to do is 2 cloves of chopped up fresh garlic. Put that on there. We got 3/4 cup whole milk. Put that in here. Then let's add our seasonings. We have 2 tablespoons of parsley, 2 tablespoons of basil, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. Once again, all these will be down in the description box. We have about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper here. 1/2 an onion chopped up. We have 2 whisked large eggs. Pour that on top. We have 1 cup of just regular breadcrumbs. They're not seasoned. Put that on there. And then we have 1 cup of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. Now you just get in there and get ugly. Get it all mixed up. Okay, so now we have our ingredients all mixed together. We need to make our meatballs. Our meatballs. So all I'm doing is just taking a little bit, just kind of rolling it around. Like so. Now these will reduce down in size once you get them into the oven. We'll do another one. It's easy here. I just take about, that much meat. Just kind of roll it around. Now that's a meatball. Okay, we got 18 meatballs made out of our mix. Now we're gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and we'll check them after that. All right, for our eyeballs, what we did is we bought these Baby Bell cheese balls, and we're gonna cut them up and use them. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slice them into thirds, like this. Something like that. We'll get these all cut up and we'll go on to the next step. Okay, here's our first tray of meatballs. So now to make our scary eyes, we want to take a piece of the cheese, set it on top of it, and take one of the olive, a black olive that I've sliced, and we put it on top of there like that. So now we're going to get all our cheesy eyes made here. Boom. Show you what it looks like when it's done. So here we've got our cheese and our black olives on our meatballs. Now we're going to put them back in the oven for maybe a minute to 2 minutes just to kind of let that cheese melt. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to take a little bit of Parmesan cheese that I've extra shredded up, just kind of sprinkling around on top, like that. Now we want to take our spooky eyes, meatballs, and place them on here. What kid would not enjoy this on Halloween? Almost looks like a face there. But now we take a little bit of freshly chopped up parsley and just sprinkle it on there. There you have it. Then you can get creative with the sauce and come in and give it some bloodshot eyeballs. Something like this. See how it works out. You make it the way you want. Remember, it's Halloween. Make it spooky. All right, let's taste these meatballs and spaghetti. Get that eyeball in there. Sorry. Hope I'm not making a mess. Cheers. Oh yeah, that is a good meatball. And I'm not even Italian. Anyway, you saw how I made this, and part of this collaboration that Gary at GT's Barbecue and Cuisine started, #spooky. So if you type that in your search on YouTube, you'll see the other channels that are involved in this. I know that Cooking with Corey was going to do it. Smoking Bears was going to do it. Gary at GT's Barbecue and Cuisine. And I'm doing some meatball eyes in a red spaghetti sauce. Ooh. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Have a safe Halloween. You can do this too. Cook on, my friends. Until next time. Happy Halloween, everybody.